The dogs are freaking cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Bronwyn Drake, and for those of you who haven't seen our photography channel yet, we're doing an upload once a week every Monday. It's a lot more regular than this channel, so I will leave a thingy up here. Please go and subscribe to that channel and show us some love. But today we all in self-isolation, right? We are trying the social distancing thing. For the people who have birthdays in April and March, y'all are gonna be having some sad birthdays. We've been laughing about this in my friends group for like probably the past week because we have so many friends in March, and my sister and my niece both have birthdays the end of March. So I decided to make my favorite vegan carrot cake. Carrot cake is one of my sister's favorites, so I thought I'd share the vegan version of it, and then you all can make it at home, share with your friends and family or whoever is self-isolating with you. We'll get through this together with all the good food. Okay, let's go bake. First thing we need to do is make a flax egg. What the hell is a flax egg? Asks all the non-vegans. You use this, and some water, and you just wait for it to thicken up. And basically it's like a binding agent in whatever you're baking. I always suggest having someone to help you, like your handsome boyfriend, so that you don't have to end up grating all the carrots. Okay, while Dee handles the carrots, I'm going to get all the dry ingredients and everything else together. Let's go.
Bronwyn? Fins! Bronwyn? Out of 10. Caramel toffee.
Yum.
Completely vegan. Coconut milk.
So good. 11 out of 10 would smash. Scrumdiddlyumptious.
I just got off the phone with a professor in China. He says it's not worth getting the COVID-19 now because they're expecting the COVID-20 Pro to be released in September.
Wah, wah, wah. I'm gonna add some allspice. I don't know what allspice is. Do you know what it is?
Allspice?
It's just all the spices. It smells good. Okay guys, and that is it. The most scrumptious and moist carrot cake that recipe that I've found. Go and make it, leave a comment down below, wish my sister and Mila a very happy birthday for next week. I'll leave the recipe link down below. It is not my own recipe, but I do make a few adjustments. I don't put in as much sugar, added a bit of allspice, even though I don't really know what it is. It just seemed like a good idea. I will see you guys next time. Remember to give this one a big thumbs up and go and check out our photography channel.